Our sound today is k, 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 k. Pictures. My turn. K, k, caterpillar. K, k, cake. K, k, cat. K, k, cow. Your turn. Did you do it? Shall we try again? This time, super speedy. My turn. Caterpillar, cake, cat, cow. Your turn. K, k. Watch me draw a caterpillar. Caterpillar. My turn. K, 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 k. Caterpillar. Your turn. Watch me write a k. My turn. K, 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 k. Caterpillar. Your turn. Caterpillar. K. Caterpillar. K. Caterpillar. K. It's the same. Caterpillar. K. Now let's play spot the sound. So if you see this side, you're going to say caterpillar. If you see this side, you're going to say k. Are we ready? I set. Let's see if you can spot the sound in our pack of other sounds. Let's say the sound as we pop it in. My turn first. Super speedy sounds. S, g, k. Don't forget to point to the sound. Are we ready? Super speedy sounds. I set. Off we go. Did you remember to point? Shall we pop it back in the pack just to make sure? Did you point? Back in. One more time. Super speedy sounds. Very good, boys and girls. Now what we're going to do is some Fred talk. Say good morning or good afternoon to Fred if that's where you are when you're working at home. So the first word is cat. 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 Have you got it yet? Cat. 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 Are you ready for the next one? It's a hard one, boys and girls. Are you listening? Up. 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 Have you got it? Up. Cup. Cup. One more. N. Can. Did you get it? Can. Can. Now, before we move on, I think we should give ourselves a fantastic. Very good, boys and girls. Now, let's see if we can write the sound. Show me your pencil grip in the air, and we're going to say the phrase as we write. I'm going to write on a whiteboard, but you do it in the air. Let's practice. Curl around the caterpillar. One more time. Curl around the caterpillar. Have you got your pencil grip ready? Off we go. Curl around the caterpillar. Curl around the caterpillar. Can you do it really small on your hand? Curl around the caterpillar. Curl around the caterpillar. Now let's try that one more time, but this time saying the sound as we write. On your hand. Now, boys and girls, what I'd like you to do is to have a go with your pencil in your book. Have a go at writing that sound. Can you remember what the sound was? Have a practice. You can pause the video and have a little practice. Well, boys and girls, I hope you had a good time this morning or this afternoon and you've managed to have a go at writing the k using the phrase and using the sound. Let's give ourselves a very big marshmallow clap. Are you ready? See you tomorrow.